Hey everyone, in this lecture I'm going to teach you about presentation and presentation skills, quality of good presentations. Let we know what is presentations. Presentations, a speech or talk in which a new product, idea, or piece of work is shown and explained to an audience. Uh, Presentation is a communication process that can be adapted to various speaking situations. Both definition are right for presentations. It is a communication process, and and different in various situation we adopt this. For example, talking to the audience, briefing a meeting, addressing the audience, and many other ways in situations. Okay, and what is there are different types of presentation. The first one is open-handed presentations. The second one is edit presentation. The third one is flashcard presentation. There are many other types, but I have mentioned these three. So I'm going to explain you these three in detail. What is up-handed presentations? The presentations deliver on the spot without any helping material is called up-handed presentation. You know, Added presentation. What is added presentation? The presentation in which all types of AV ads, AV ads mean audio-visual ads, are used is called added presentation. And what is flashcard presentation? The presentation prepared on multicolor card is called flashcard presentations. Okay, uh, you know, there are different techniques for an effective presentations. Uh, for example, here I have mentioned 4P, which is very important for ineffective presentations. And I'm teaching again and again these 4P to the students. Let me know about these 4P. What is the first P? What is the second, third, and fourth? And why we use these 4P and presentation skill? So before presenting, you must have these 4P in mind. Okay, the first one is plan. The second one is prepare, and the third one is practice. The fourth one is present. What is the first P in presentation skills? You know, for planning an effective presentations, following question are taken under considerations. The first one, what will be the topic? Topic क्या होगा? Who will be the audience? सामीन कौन होगी? Who, why they are here? वो यह क्यों है? What will be the seating? क्या तरतीब होगी? How much time it will take? कितना वक्त लगेगा? So the presenter must have all these questions in mind before presenting. So first plan, then go ahead. Okay. After that, preparing a presentation. The second P is preparing. So whenever you are preparing your presentations, so these points keep in mind. Structure your presentation. Prompt must be there. Visual aid must be there. Appearance should be, style should be clear, well, wise questions. So what is mean by structure in presentations? You know, structure should be according to the objective of the presentations. You will structure your presentation. Well, structure will be there. Objective should be kept in mind and then structure the presentation. According to your objective, you will structure, you will give proper shape to your presentations. It may include introduction, main body, conclusion. So what is introduction? Introduction of the presenter. So the first of all, the presenter will introduce his herself. After that, introduction of the title of your choice or topic. So I'm just giving you a short clip to know about the presentations, uh, presenter introduction, and the topic. Uh, the topic introduction. So how you will introduce your topic and presentation. So keep in mind these clips. Okay, look at and watch it. Audience members, imagine you're standing in front of your colleagues. You need to introduce yourself and what your presentation is about. What are
words and phrases you could use.
If some people in the audience don't know who you are, you should introduce yourself and your position. In a more formal setting, you could say something like this. Good morning, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name's Simon, and I work in the marketing department. Or, hello, everybody. Before we begin, let me introduce myself briefly. I'm Reese, and I'm the head of HR.
If you work in a more informal company, you could say, hi guys, if you don't know me, I'm Sylvia, and I work in digital marketing. Or, hello, I see some new faces, so I'll introduce myself first. I'm Julia, and I'm one of our customer service team. Next, you need to introduce your topic.
If your presentation topic is simpler, you could just say one sentence, like this. Today, I'm going to be talking about our new HR policies and how they affect you. Or, I'd like to talk to you today about quality control and why we're all responsible for quality control, whichever department you work in.
If your topic is more complex, you might add more detail to break your idea into stages. For example, I'll begin by outlining the policies, and then I'll go on to highlight what they mean for you and your working habits. Finally,
So, dear, this is the way how to introduce yourself and your topic. Okay, this is just a clue about presentations, and then come to the main body. What will be there in the main body explanation of the presentations. You will expand your points, your topic in more detailed way. Okay, all the statistical and graphical material will be show up on the front of audience. So all the data you should present and the body. Okay, and then come to the conclusion. Conclude your presentation with the main points. Do not include any new idea. Thanks the audience. So keep in mind, according to psychologists, primacy recency effect must be there. Primacy mean uh, your start and end will be better. Okay, you give actually the start and end, those points are very easy for the audience to keep in their mind. So your information presented at the beginning and end must be clear to the audience. So the audience is not judging your body. You are explaining more and more thing in the body, but the first things which the audience are getting is the introduction, and the last things is in conclusion. So the opening and closing must be good. Okay, and then come to the third uh, uh, come to the prompt. What is prompt? Prompt is also called helping hand for presenter. Prompt is always used by the presenter. It include all the points that are for the presenter, not for the audience. For better delivery, have prompt on their PowerPoint. For example, blackboard, whiteboard, marker, etc. So now come to the AV ads. AV ads mean audio visual ads. All the ads that help in having an attractive presentation. For example, charts, marker, multimedia, audio, visual clips, multimedia slides. Use small and clear font. Use simple font style. Use prominent color. Do not overcrowd the slide. Do not include more than 5 to 7 bullets per slide. If you are making or composing your presentation on slide, so don't overcrowd your slide. Just include 5 to 7 bullets points per slide. Okay, and now come to the appearance. First impression is the last impression. So your appearance should be uh, well. Okay, dress code matter a lot. Use dark color for formal meeting. Use bright color for informal situations. Wear comfortable shoes. Allow yourself to move. You have some space for moving and different presentations. Style, style is main and the main style. So the style of the presentation should be natural and conversational. The presenter style should be natural and conversational. Do not copy others. You will not copy other people. You will adopt, you will show your own way, and you will do according to your own styles. Okay, use the words that are normally used. Okay, style is direct to means. Okay, you will not copy other. Keep in mind. Voice should be clear. The pitch of the voice should be vary from time to time. The volume of the voice should not make the voice shrill. A strong voice convey confidence. So keep in mind, your voice should be vary from time to time. It means that sometime it will be loud and sometime it will be slow. According to situation, you will change your voice. Okay, you will it depend upon the situation, in which situation, in which time you will raise your voice loud, your voice in which situation you will slow your voice. So keep in mind these things. Okay, now come to the question. Make the rough sketch of the question that are going to be asked. You have some idea, you have some question in your mind. Maybe the audience will ask from you during presentations. So you will not do not deliver everything in the presentation. Leave some for the end. So okay, you will not present all the things in uh, during presentation. Some leave some for the end. Maybe some audience will ask from you. So keep in mind those questions. Now come to the 30 practice. 30 perfect practice make the man perfect. Practice your presentation in front of mirror or friends. First of all, if you are going to practice, so practice in front of mirror or friends. It will be the better way to present, to make your prepare. So okay, check the body language while practicing. Whenever you are practicing, so in front of mirror or friends, so check the body language. Okay, then we come to the fourth P. Sorry, take a strong start. Okay, engage your audience for the first 3 to 4 minutes. Keep eye contact with the audience. Have smile on your face. Take a strong opening. As I told you, your introduction, your start, and your end must be enthusiastic. Strong start must be there. And in the quality of good presenter, I'm going to show you what are the good quality of presenters. So these quality must be keep in mind. Have a confidence in yourself. You have good eye contact with the audience. Excellent communication skill are essential for a presenter. Relax and keep calm under pressures. You will be relaxed and calm under pressures. Okay, be enthusiastic. Okay, connect and engage with their audience, attracting and occupying and trust. Effective, successful in producing the desired result. Okay, these quality must be keep in mind for good presentations.